Hi art lovers, how you doing out there? Decided to do another 7-inch saw blade here. Got it taped off in the back, got it all leveled. Had a little bit of paint left in the cup from what I was doing earlier. And that one worked out pretty good. I like the way we did that flip cup, so I think what we're going to do is do it again. Get you a little centered, more centered in the world there. You might be, but my monitor looked like you're off a little. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! This one here I didn't put a lot of colors because there was already some colors in there, but I did add a lot more of the Craftsmart metallic blue and white. So we'll run this around a little bit. Yeah, probably going to end up dropping the thing. Might as well pick it up and use my fingers. We'll dump that off and we'll bring her back over this way. Swirl it around. This is looking out pretty cool. Remember, kind of always after you tilt, go back to the center before you change directions. That's nice and blue. That metallic blue is, yeah. I like metallics. I usually don't use a lot of them, but I've always liked the output of them when I do use them. I guess is how I want to say that. It looks really cool after it dries, okay? Let's put it that way. Pop some of these bubbles. Tiny bubbles. Remember, all my dried projects are at the end of the videos, usually. I try to get them in there anyway. See, now I fired that up and some of that red came out. Or came, yeah, popping out, I guess I want to say. What do we got there? Oh, just a piece of tape. Cool beans. I'm going to try tilting this a little bit more. Get some of that red off of there. I don't mind a little. Yeah, it's gonna. It's right on a tooth. There we go. Get that tape out of the way. Let her run over the edge. Where are you? Hey, there uses the camera. Keep losing the camera for today for some reason. But, I don't know if you can really see that or not. My lighting in here is not the best in the world. And if I get it down where it's too much light, then it's just nothing but a glare. Alrighty, let's pop some bubbles again. Well, I hope you can really see this at home. But it turned out cool. Yeah, it was the same old dirty cup, but there's very little red in it. And the metallic blue, once it dries, will come popping out. So I'm gonna say this one's done. If you like what you've seen, give me a painter's thumb up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Leave it down in the comments what you do like or don't like, or put in the comments if you want to see something. You want me to do something, you know, just throw it out there. I'll try to oblige you. But until the next time, get out there and paint something.